Alright folks, today I'm going to show you a fantastic healthy recipe perfect for anyone managing diabetes. It's my healthy red kidney bean salad. Packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals, this salad is not only nutritious but also delicious. Let's dive right in. First, grab a large bowl and toss in 1 cup of cooked red kidney beans. Next, add 1/2 cup of diced cucumber for that refreshing crunch. Follow it up with 1/2 cup of diced tomatoes. Now finely chop 1/4 cup of red onion and toss that in. For a burst of color, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped bell pepper. Any color will do. Finally, sprinkle in 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh parsley or cilantro. Don't forget, if you fancy a bit of extra flavor, 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese is optional but highly recommended. Right, now let's whip up a simple dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Pour this lovely dressing over your salad and toss gently to combine all those vibrant ingredients. Let the salad sit for about 10-15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully together. You can serve this salad chilled or at room temperature, whatever you prefer. And there you have it. A simple, tasty and healthy red kidney bean salad that's perfect for diabetics. Enjoy every bite and remember, managing diabetes doesn't mean compromising on flavor. See you next time.